Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Panda once again. This is part 2, how my iPhone X performs in 2021. Now I am using the ProMovie app this time around, and I've been using this app for a few years now. I recommend it for your iPhone, but I'm shooting 4K 30 frames a second, and it's outputting a lot of good light. You can actually see details in the light, and you can actually see the rain dropping from the light shadows. Look at the contrast levels, look at the light output. It actually is a good performer in 2021. You can actually see more detail. And there's more light. A lot more light, actually. So the last video was part 1, using the YouTube app. Now we are using the ProMovie app. And even in dark locations, you can actually see items. With the YouTube app, you couldn't see these items, and it was much darker in these areas. So take this video with a grain of salt, everybody. I am the Panda Photographer, and I am stuck in grain, and I figured I'd give you guys some content to build on. Is your iPhone X still good in 2021? I would say yes. So my recommendation is buy an iPhone stabilizer. I sold mine. Never did. See, lesson learned, kids and videographers. This is Panda. Thank you for watching. And yes, if you are curious, stabilization is on. This is why on the YouTube app, it is not on. It doesn't utilize it. The ProMovie app does, because you have options. With that said, each photography, videography, repeat. I'll see you guys in the next one.